Hello and welcome. Today we are going to know about Postman. With this tool we can do API testing. We will install it and talk a little bit of Postman in this video. You can watch our API testing videos in our API testing playlist if you want to learn more about API testing. Let's start downloading Postman. You can download it from the official website. You can download it for your operative system, if it is 32 or 64 bits. I will click download and I will wait some seconds until it is downloaded. Once it is downloaded I will do click for installing it. And it will do practically all. As you can see, the installing process of Postman is very simple. In next videos we will be watching detailed what is every instruction for.